Welcome. Today you will learn how to freeze or unfreeze rows or column in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. Open your Google Spreadsheet, click on View, move down, Freeze, No Rows, Row 1. If you want to freeze row 1 or first two rows, click on one of them. Here I will freeze row 1. Click on row 1. Here you can see row 1 is freezed now. You can scroll up or down, it will be visible. Let's unfreeze row 1. Click on view, move down, click on row no rows. Now row 1 is unfreezed. Let's freeze column 1. Click on view, freeze, column 1. Now you can see that column 1 is freezed. To unfreeze column again, click on view, freeze, no columns. Column 1 is unfreezed. Here is how you can freeze or unfreeze column or row in Google Spreadsheet. Many thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.